Hello, my name is Amit, and this is the Grade 10 Science Curriculum explained by Amit and Nicolo. Today, in Unit 2, we will discuss magnets. Let's first introduce materials that only sometimes act like magnets. They are called ferromagnetic substances and are nickel, cobalt, and iron. You can remember them with this little acronym we made up called NICO. N is for nickel, I is for iron, and CO is for cobalt. Can you guess who wrote this acronym? Nico. Now, to transition into actual magnets, let's talk about their poles. When two north or two south ends of a magnet are brought together, they repel. Meanwhile, when a north and a south are brought together, they attract. This is very similar to what we learned about in electricity. Opposites attract and the same repel. When a compass is pointed at a magnet, it will follow the direction of the magnetic field of the magnet. This field will go out of the North Pole and into the South Pole. Now, let's go more into depth into this magnetic field. Field lines always come out of the north end and go into the south end. The strength of the field is indicated by the amount of lines and how close they are together. More lines closer means stronger. By this logic, the field is stronger at the poles, and the further the magnetic field is from the ends, the weaker it is. To summarize the properties of a magnet, all magnets have a magnetic field. The magnetic field is a space around the magnet where magnetic forces of attraction and repulsion are felt. The magnetic field is always represented with lines like shown above. Now let's begin talking about electromagnetism. Using a compass, we can determine that the magnetic field is a series of circles surrounding a straight wire. We can determine the direction of a field by using the right-hand rule. The current is traveling in the direction of the arrow, from positive to negative. In order to perform the right-hand rule, point your thumb in the direction of the arrow, then wrap your right-hand fingers around your hand. In doing so, you will have determined the direction of the magnetic field. First question: what are the three ferromagnets? Correct, it's nickel, iron, and cobalt. Next, from which pole does a magnetic field flow out of, and which pole does it flow into? A magnetic field flows out of the North Pole and into the South Pole. Determine which way the magnetic field is going. The answer is currently shown on screen. This can be determined through the right-hand rule. Thanks for watching!